Well, hi there. We're in New Mexico at the Bosque del Apache Refuge for birds. We're going to go bird watching. We're also going to ride our bikes around the loop here. They're dirt trails, about 12-mile loop. That'd be kind of nice to do instead of driving the car around. Get out and enjoy some air and go see some birds. So come along with us. We decided to head south and tackle the south loop first, so we headed down the dirt road along the marshes. The birds that I thought at first glance were mallards turned out to be northern pintails, and there were quite a few of them in the marshes. Now we'll go out and check it out anyway. You're in mountain lion country. Don't run, be alert. About a mile into our ride, we came to the Dabbler observation deck.
There's a little one right here.
Oh, a little
Are those coots?
coots. About 3 miles into our journey, we went out on the boardwalk to the Sparrow Loop, and I'll show a little bit of the Marsh Overlook Trail. The only birds we saw was a really nice looking great blue heron. And a nice red-tailed hawk, one of many red-tailed hawks we saw. At the south end of the South Loop, we encountered our first of many sandhill cranes we would see that day. From there we headed directly north to the mid part of the refuge, seeing many different waterfowl along the way. We then started on the North Loop, going past many different marshlands, and then it opened up into fields. We decided once we hit the fields and only saw Canada geese, we decided to backtrack and go back through the mid part of the marsh, which turned out to be a good idea since there's many different wetlands there. Well, we decided to not go the whole north loop as it became fields and there were only Canada geese in it, so we came back past the marshes to see the Sandhill cranes and the white geese, and so the snow geese and other things. So I think it was a good choice. Very pretty area. Well, it turned out to be a great ride. Saw a lot of birds. There's some snow geese taking off right over there. We did about 11 miles. You could probably go a little further with the loop. It's pretty flat and you get to see a lot of birds, different varieties. So if you're in New Mexico and you're coming by this way, the Bosque del Apache Refuge, give it a try. Till our next adventure, we'll see ya. Indeed, it is a very flat ride, very easy, but it's very scenic, and the plus side is you get to see many different types of birds. So if you're headed past this way, I would encourage you to stop and ride around the refuge and enjoy it. Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment. Also subscribe and stay tuned for our future adventures.